So next question is question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is equals to 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of first two terms, that is S2? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th and the nth term. Okay, so in the question, what is saying the sum of first n terms is equals to 4n minus n square. Okay, this is the sum of first n terms. Okay, and the first term is S1. Why he is saying first term is S1? See, now we can take any example for understanding S1 and A1. See, there is any AP 2, 7, 12. Okay, so this is an AP. Here as we can see, A1 is equal to 2 and S1 is also 2. The sum of first term, that is 2. This is first term, and A1 is also 2 and S1 is also 2, because when we calculate sum of first term, that is also A1, because here this is the first term and we cannot add anything in first term to calculate S1. So A1 and S1 is always same. Okay, after that we have to calculate sum of first two terms, after that third term, 10th term and the nth term. Okay, so now do the solution. First we will write what is given in the question. So given that, so Sn is defined as Sn is equals to 4n minus n. Okay, this is our Sn. So put n equals to 1. Okay, or we can say sum of first term is equals to S1 equals to 4 multiplied by 1 minus square of 1, that is equals to 4 minus 1, 3. So A1 and S1 is equals to 3. So we can write A1 is also 3 and S1 is also 3. Okay, now we will calculate sum of first two terms. So sum of first two terms is equals to, put n equals to 2, because this is Sn. So if I put n equals to 2, so we will calculate S2. Okay, so S2 is defined as the sum of first two terms. Okay, so n equals to 2, so we can write S2 is equals to 4 multiplied by 2 minus square of 2. Okay, so this is equals to 8 minus 4, that is equals to 4. So S2 is equals to 4. Now nth term of an AP is also defined. An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, so we can also calculate An with the help of Sn minus 1. This is also one formula in our textbook. Okay. Okay students, so now we will take one example to understand this formula. Okay, this is not the part of this question, but to make you understand how do we get this formula. Okay, so I am taking an example. Let 2, 4, 6, this is an AP. Okay student, so if I calculate, see, S1 is equal to 2 and here S2 is equal to 2 plus 4, sum of first two terms 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. Okay, if I calculate A2 according to this formula, Sn minus Sn minus 1, by which we can calculate A2. So in the place of n I can put 2. Okay, so A2 is equal to S2 is 6 and S2 minus 1, this is S1, this is S1. Okay students, so S1 is 2, that is equal to 4. So A2 equals to 4. In the AP also this is 4. So if we have Sn, so with the help of Sn we can also calculate An. Now come to the solution. Next part of the question. So now we have to calculate second term, third term, 10th term and nth term. So A2 is equals to A2 second term, A2 is equals to S2 minus S2 minus 1, that is equals to S2 minus S. Okay, and S2 is equals to 4 as we have already calculated. So 4 and S1 is 3. 4 minus 3, this is equals to 1. So we got A2 is equal to 1. Okay. So now put n equals to 3 and now we will calculate S3. Okay. So this is equals to 4 multiplied by 3 minus square of 3. Why? Because Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. So I have put 3 in place of n. So 4 3 is 12 and 3 3 is 9. So S3 is equals to 3. So we got S3 is equals to. Okay students. So now we can easily calculate third term of the AP. So A3 is equals to S3 minus S3 minus 1. Why? Because An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay. So third term is 3 and S3 minus 1, this is S2 and S2 is equals to 4. So 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. So we got A3 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Now we will calculate 10th term. So for calculating 10th term, first we have to calculate 9th term, S10, not 9th terms, S10 and S9. Okay. Why? See, if I calculate A10, so formula become A10 is equals to, this is equals to, A10 is equals to S10 minus S10 minus 1, that is equals to S9. So first we will calculate S10 and S9. Then we can easily calculate A10. So now put n equals to 9. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 9 minus square of 9. So this is equals to S9. Okay. Why? Because Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. Okay students. So S9 is equals to 4 9 is 36, 9 9 is 81. Okay, so now subtract minus 81 from plus 36. So this is equals to 11 minus 6, this is 5, and 7. So student, this is equals to minus 45. Okay, now put n equals to 10. So as 10 is equals to 4 multiplied by 10 minus square of 10. So this is equals to 40 minus 100, that is equals to minus 60. I just put 10 in place of n. Okay, so we got S10 and S9. So now we can easily calculate A10 is equals to S10 minus S9. From where we got S10 minus S9, I put 10 in this formula. Okay, so S10 is equals to minus 60. Okay, and S9 equals to minus 45. So minus 60 minus minus 45. So this is equals to A10 is equals to minus 60 plus 45 minus multiply minus becomes plus. So A10 is equals to minus 50. Okay. Now next part is we have to calculate nth term also. Now we have to calculate nth term. Okay. So for calculating nth term, now again put Sn, An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So here first I have to calculate Sn and after that Sn minus 1. But in the question, Sn is already given. Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. Okay students, so now I will calculate Sn minus 1. So put n minus 1. So Sn minus 1. Why we are calculating Sn minus 1? Because for calculating nth term, we have to calculate Sn minus 1 also. Okay. So Sn minus 1 is equals to 4 n minus 1. In place of n, we will put n minus 1 minus square of n minus 1. Okay. So 4n, this become 4 multiplied by n, this is 4n minus 4 minus this is whole square of n minus 1. So we can calculate it with the help of identity a minus b ka whole square. This is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So this is equal to n square minus 2n, 2ab, 2n plus square of 1, that is equal to 1. So 4n minus 4 plus n square, sorry, minus n square. Okay, this is minus, so minus n square plus 2n minus 1. It becomes, this is 4n, this is 2n, so it becomes 6n, and minus 4 minus 1, this is equal to minus 5, minus n square minus 5. So we got Sn minus 1, this is equals to 6n minus n square minus 5. Calculate nth term. So to calculate nth term. Okay students. So for calculating nth term, so An is equals to Sn minus 1. Now put the values. So An is equals to, Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. Okay, it is given. And minus Sn minus 1 we have already calculated, that is equals to this thing, 6n minus n square minus 5. Okay, this is equals to 4n minus n square minus 6n, okay, plus n square plus 5. Okay, so minus n square cancelled by plus n square. Now remaining part is plus 4n minus 6n, this equals to minus 2n plus 5. Okay, so nth term of this AP equals to minus 2n plus